Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel Craft Queen Khushi. On today's video, we are going to make a coffee shop / cafe. Let's start with countertop. For this, we need a transparent plastic sheet from the packaging. Now add the coffee stirrers, glue all over the sides. Cut the excess. You have to make total 4 for the shelves of the candy counter top. Take a piece of cardboard sheet, then draw a sketch. Here I cut the cardboard sheet according to my design. Size and shape may be differ according to your design. Cut the excess. Now cover it from the printed sheet. I am using 2 types of prints. One will be glue on front and one on the other side. This I cut for making top of the countertop. Cut it in this shape. Draw a line. Make a mark like this. Cut it at the shape drawn. Then cover the top with the contact paper. By making cuts so that paper can neatly fold it over. Wrapping on the edges for giving smooth finish. Now cut cardboard sheet in this shape. Cover it with the contact paper. Now let's start assembling all the parts. I added 2 here, one on the base and one on side. Glue the top, then glue the sides. I glued candy counter on this side and add all 4 shelves inside of candy counter and add transparent sheet on top. Now let's make menu. For this, take a small size of cardboard sheet. Here I am using green color. You can use whatever color you like. Now add cutout piece from a magazine or a paper. If you want, you can make your own design or own menu. Stack all the cutout piece on top of the cardboard. Your menu is ready in a very easy and in a very simple method. Cut a small piece of cardboard sheet, draw a line, cut the excess. Here I am taking 5 cm. Add a glue, then glue the side for making small shelf. Glue the base, then glue the front for making small shelves. Cut the excess. Let's color it with gold. I'm using gold acrylic color. And color the side using black acrylic color. Cut the heart sheet in this design. Color it using black acrylic color. Give a touch of gold color for giving extra detail. Add a glue, then attach them on both the sides. Now I am going to make a couch. For this, first cover the box using contact paper. If you want to have this contact paper, link is in description, you can go for it. Now take a rectangular shape of cardboard sheet, take a cotton of same shape, cover it with the green fabric. Now glue it on top of the box for making couch. Add legs in all 4 sides. Here I added thin strip of brown sheet for giving extra detail. Now your couch is ready. Now take a cardboard sheet, draw a circle, cut all the circle using scissors, glue 2 pieces together. Take a white sheet, it's ivory sheet. Here I have taken approximate 9.5 cm. Roll the white sheet, make a tube for a base of table. Paint all the table pieces using brown acrylic color. Cover with contact paper, then add brown thin strips for giving extra detail. A table base is ready. For making large size of table, here I am using canvas board. Color it using brown acrylic color. Let's assemble all together. For a small table base, make a small tube, and for large table, make a large tube for a base. And add thin strip of contact paper on bottom for giving extra detail. Add printed sheet for giving extra detail. It's all done. For making chair cushion, take a square shape of cardboard sheet, add cotton, then cover it with a fabric, and it's done. Now let's take a look. A final reveal of coffee shop / cafe. Now we have a hangout spot for our dolls. Let's talk about the side wall. In this wall, I used contact paper. If you like to have this contact paper, link is in description, you can go for it. Here I added 2 small round size of shelves and added some decoration accessory. After that, in the corner there, on the door I glued stickers written Cafe Queen. On the other hand, on this wall, I added wallpaper, used a coffee stir in all 4 sides for making a frame, and also added some art piece. Here I kept the plant in the corner. On the side of the corner, I kept a magazine rack and fill it from some of the magazine and newspaper. In this place, I kept table and 2 chairs of different color. I like the idea of mix and match furniture. I kept here the laptop where the people can use their laptop while they have their coffee. In this side, I added 2 tables and 2 chairs and also added a couch so that more than 2 people can sit and have their snacks and cup of coffee. This area is my favorite. Here I added some random stuff. I glued menu on back wall and added shelf on back side. And on top I kept some accessories like blender, milk box, coffee mug, paper mug, tissues, tray, and also cash register. Down here I added some food items on inside candy counter. These all food items I made in previous video. Link is in description. Click the link and you can go and watch that video. For giving extra detail, I glued foil scrapbook paper across the front and side to create a little lift. On the other hand, let's focus on floor. Here I added some printed scrapbook paper, what I use for a counter front, and try to blend the floor with it for giving a unique design. This is outer area of cafe, and here also I added 1 table, 2 chairs. Down on floor I used a grass printed scrapbook paper for giving floor a different look. Here the door that can open and swing. Added name Cafe Queen and also added some golden beads. Here on the back side of the wall, you can see I added stickers written Cafe Queen and on top of the black foam board and decorated with beads and stickers. On wall I glued printed scrapbook sheet and this time I added a different prints. I hope you all like this video, and now the dolls have a place where they can hang out and have their cup of coffee and relax with their friends. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.